What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me a brand new product to the market. This one from TORRAS. It is called a UNIWARM. It's kind of a funky name, but you can probably understand why they named it that way. Because it's getting kind of cold here. I totally agreed to it. I was like, yeah, send me the product. Let me test it out. So my wife's gonna love this already. I can already tell, because she's always buying those hand warmers. You know what I'm saying? By the way, the box, they're pretty nice packaging for sure. If you guys don't know TORRAS, they make cell phone accessories, like really high quality cell phone accessories. Oh, look at that. Got a little note here for you. See here. Yep. This little prop up right here can stand like that. Yeah. Yep. Quick start guide. Thank you. Oh boy, that feels good. So this is it right here. The UNIWARM. It's an interesting product, that's for sure. So first thing I noticed is that USB-C charging right there, but it's like hollow right here. The whole thing is like a pillow, except then you get this really nice like rubber piece right here. Really nice, like it feels really good. Interesting. I can probably use this as a pillow as well, I'm pretty sure. So there's these two sides right here where you put your hands in there to warm. Okay, so accessory box right here, I'm pretty sure it's a USB-C cord. Yeah, USB-C cord. So once again, this thing is called UNIWARM, and I'm pretty sure you know why, because you put it in your hands in here, it's 1 unit warm. It actually looks like something that in DC Comics, where they lock up the villains with, you know? Have you ever seen this? Where they lock the villains up like this? It's actually pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool. I love the design. I love the design. So let's check out this little thing right here. So it looks like is this? Oh, it is an LCD. Oh my gosh, this is an LCD, guys. Oh wow, that is incredible. It gets redder. See, so it starts out with like kind of like an orange, yellow orange, and then it goes all the way up to super dark red. So the one thing I didn't notice about this product right here is that, let's say if you've already set it and you haven't turned it off yet, it turns off by itself. But on top of that, there's a sensor inside of it. So if I were to put my hand in here, see, it turns on by itself. If I were to take it off, it actually turns off. Turns on when I put my hand in, turns off when I take my hands out. Same thing on this side right here too. I'm not sure, there's some kind of magnet in there probably that are telling it to turn on and off. So I take my hands out, turn off. You can adjust it however you want. Turn off by taking your hand out. That's it, yeah. I mean, you can always turn this thing off, go all the way down, and boom, right there, it's turned off now. Even when I put my hand in there, it won't turn on. So yeah, there's a sensor inside there that tells you turn on and off this thing. I'm getting reading like 115 right in there, right in the middle. So the middle is where the most heats are, and then it starts to disperse out here. Again, I have it at H8. All right. This LCD is just beautiful, by the way. Just beautiful. Such a simple product. Oh, it's getting really hot now. Yeah, I don't think I can keep it on H8 that much. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. That's the first look of this product. Very unique product from TORRAS. UNIWARM. It's as simple as it gets. You just literally twist this thing, get it super hot, sit out in the football game, and just start playing with this. I actually would love to use this as just a pillow. It's so soft. It's so soft, and the material inside of it, it's more like an air cushion rather than cotton. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, guys. Yeah, that's brand new product from TORRAS, UNIWARM. I hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.